Hey everyone, Joe here. So it's Wednesday, February 26th. We recently had a contest to give away a free canoe paddle. This was for hitting 300 subscribers on our YouTube page. Contest ran for 2 weeks and ended last Friday, February 26th. No, February 21st, sorry. Today's the 26th. I'm a few days late doing this video and the draw to determine the winner. Names are all in this jug here. We got them all mixed up, and we're going to draw one out. The winner is this 60-inch Neebing River canoe paddle. The Neebing River is named for the river about 100 meters away from the paddling shop here. So we're going to have a draw, and then whoever wins, we'll get hold of each other through YouTube, social media, whatever, email. We'll figure it out, and we'll get a paddle off to you. So, we have Neebing Mox. The name of the winner on YouTube goes by Neebing Mox. Not sure if you can see that there. We'll try and hold it up. So we have a canoe paddle for you. Okay, I'm going to post this on the contest video from a couple of weeks ago, and we'll get hold of each other and we'll figure out how to get this to you. And we'll be all ready for the spring canoe season when the ice is all gone. So congratulations on winning. Congratulations and thank you to everyone who took part. It was a fun contest. We started this out for 300 subscribers. I think I was up around 340 when I actually got around to doing the contest. And today, as doing this draw, I believe I'm at 441. So we're closing in on 500. Cheers.